What if you could run any open source AI model locally and privately on any operating system in under 30 seconds? So today I want to tell you about Llamafiles, which do just that. They're basically these small executables that can packaged with a large language model, all its weights, all its metadata, and allow you to, by executing the file, run it. It will package a web server with an interface if you want to, and have all the things you need to run the model and interact with it and chat with it. So last time we checked LM Studio, which is pretty cool, but this one I would say is even cooler because of all the potential that it has. So let's find the place to work, or maybe just package it here. So the first thing we're going to do is download the Llamafiles from Hugging Face and just see if it works. So you can find the Llamafiles, download it. Once it's done, run it, and that's it. So now the web browser opens, and we can set some options and then get started. So yeah, that's actually as easy as it gets. You can also download models with vision, which will have different options like upload the image. I also recommend you check the other projects that are involved in this. So for example, there's a Redbean server. So the web server that is used by Llamafiles is a tiny web server that is also portable in the same way. I also had plans to record a section on how to create your own Llamafiles. Unfortunately, that wasn't coming out how I expected and wanted, and it was delaying the entire video, so I decided to take it out for now. If you're interested on how to create your own Llamafiles and distribute them, leave a comment below and subscribe. And if there's any general interest, I'll record a new video. I also forgot to record kind of an outro like this while I was on location. That's why you're seeing me here. Going forward, I'm going to be experimenting with the format a little bit, so you might see this room a bit more. So for now, just pretend I'm still in the same place I was before, and we're going to get back to it. We've got a couple of friends. Bye.